In this video, I'll show you how to stake Ethereum on Coinbase. Start by signing into your Coinbase account. From the dashboard, make sure you have Ethereum available in your account. Next, go to Assets and select Ethereum. After that, if staking is available in your region and for your account, you'll see a Stake or Earn button. Click it to continue. Now review the staking information, including the estimated rewards, how rewards are paid, and any conditions or restrictions that apply. Next, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to stake, or choose to stake your available balance if that's your preference. After that, review the staking details carefully, then click Preview to verify the information. Now click Stake Now or Confirm to complete the staking request. Next, wait for Coinbase to process your request. Once it's complete, you can monitor your staked Ethereum and rewards from the Assets or Earn section of your account. Finally, check your staking balance and reward history periodically to track your earnings and manage your staked assets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to stake Ethereum on Coinbase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.